Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Creatives, get ready to bring your imagination to life with Wombo Dream. Join me in this beginner's guide as we dive into the basics of using this AI-powered app to create stunning visual arts even if you have no prior design experience. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So the first thing guys that we need you to do is to simply go ahead and open the Wombo Dream AI. So w.ai is the official website of Wombo Dream. Now this AI guys is basically going to help us to do a lot of things. Basically you can, for example, make like visuals to an image. So for example, here we have this image of Elon Musk, which is a selfie of him, and then you can add on the top of it like another or music, and the image will start reacting to the music, so it can start singing or doing expressions that are basically made on this music that you are using. So here you can also make dozens of things such as creating images and other things that can be really very stunning. And as you can see, the creativity and the amount of colors and the beauty in these pictures is very interesting. Here, as you can see, there is 3 ways of using this application or this AI. First of all, we have the iOS, so you can simply click here and they will take you to a page where you can download the app on the App Store. Here we have Android, and here we have Try Dream on web. So this is what we are going to do in this specific video. Now, first of all guys, we need to actually start by signing in. So I'm going to click right here, sign in, and I'm going to sign in with my Google account. So simply click here and I'm going to choose this account, and then I'm going to click on continue, and simple as just like that, we are in here. Now let's give it a username. Let's give it, for example, something like that, register, and I have created my account successfully. So this is my account, and now we can start creating images. Now first of all, we have to give it a prompt. A prompt is a phrase that has exactly what we need from the AI to create as a picture. For example, I want in the AI to create for me a house in the woods, and basically I would like it to have a specific style. So here we have different kind of styles, so you can literally choose whatever style you would like it to be. For example, I would like it to be HDR version 3, and I would like it also to be at night with monsters surrounding it. And let's get started. So now let's click on create, and we are going to be good to go. Now you can see here, so normally the image will have 4 variables. So the image that you are going to create, or the AI is going to create 4 different images, but such as we can see here, we have only 1 variation because we don't have the premium version. So guys, this is the image that we have asked for. So this is a house in the woods at night. Of course, there is no monsters surrounding it, but you can get that there is the scary vibe. There is the scariness in the picture, which is very insane. Now we can click here to make variations, but here let's click here. As you can see, these are the things that you have to pay for. There is a free trial for 3 days that you can actually have, but we are not going to actually do that. Now we can click on create again. Let's try to create another one with the same thing. So let's click on create, and as you can see, it will do the same thing. So it will start creating, and maybe we would get a better picture. So this one is literally the same picture with some other details. Yeah, the only thing that changed is basically the windows right here, and basically the moon right here. It was somewhere behind those trees. So let's try to do something else. A small house, a small cabin, let's call it, not a house, cabin, and now let's click on create and check the results. The results must now change a little bit, and of course you should give it a lot of more details. Yeah, it still gives us the same thing. I mean, not the same thing, it is a cabin, which is great. The same woods, the same vibe. The colors, guys, the colors are pretty insane. It's so insane. How can it be done in few seconds with this quality of colors? The coloring here is very good. We have a couple of monsters, but they are cute enough to be called monsters. I don't know if we can call them monsters, but yeah. Well, what I'm gonna do here, surrounding it, and a human shadow coming out of the top room window, and two kids running into the house. So let's try to create this one, and let's see if they are going to actually do that. So this tool, guys, is not going to be free forever. Now, as you can see here, we have somehow like a couple of kids running into the house. We have this little monster right here. We have a shadow right here. We have a couple of things that are pretty much what we asked for. Now let's try to change it a bit. Let's change the style. Let's go for something such as anime style and keep the same prompt that we have given, and check what exactly is it gonna give us as results. So now we are going to get an anime style. So let's see. All right, this one is a little bit, I mean, I get it. So it is better somehow if we remove the part of the image which is right here. So this house floating here is actually very disturbing. If we removed it, that could be very insane and very beautiful picture. But as you can see, the results are pretty insane. There is some errors in the picture that you can notice. Like here, there is two shadows of this girl. Here there is this girl right here. There is this monster here, so they should all be in the same place. Here the girl is too small, I don't know, but you can get the vibe of the image, which is really good. Now let's start by changing that to the style, which is dark fantasy, and let's try to make a monster. Now let's try to make a big like, let's call it a demon with angel wings and a big white and red sword in his hands, grabbed by chains into the sky or something like that. Now let's see the image and how it's gonna give us the results. So this tool, guys, as you can see, is very good. The images are pretty insane. So as you can see, this is very good. This is really good. So you have made the demon with with wings and chains. This is pretty insane. So this is what you can get from Dream Wombo. Thank you guys a lot for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.